Dr. Narvade is searching for a perfect surgical instrument. But every time, the same issue, quality. He needs an instrument that delivers perfection in every surgery. Today, let's see, will he finally find that perfect instrument?
Sir, we have good instruments. They're cheap too. They will manage the work.
Manage the work is fine. But where is the quality and precision?
That's why we give 3 to 6 months warranty.
Incision Instrument provides a 1-year warranty because we never compromise on quality.
These are stainless steel instruments.
Incision instruments are crafted with medical grade German steel.
Our staff responds to buyers every week.
Incision support gives a guaranteed response within working hours, 11 a.m. to 6 p.m.
We sell at low prices.
Incision prioritizes quality. Here you get the perfect combination of German quality standards, Indian manufacturing expertise. Smooth finish, 1 perfect grip, 1 reusable stainless steel, 1 lifetime anti-rust warranty.
Let's ask the surgeon himself, what does he prefer?
Exactly what I needed. Incision Instrument, the trusted quality I can rely on.
Surgeons choose confidence. Surgeons choose Incision Instrument. Any requirements? Connect with us. Choose Incision Instruments for unmatched quality, precision, and trusted surgical performance.